Hi, my name is Mary Agee and I'm 47. My husband and I have 5 children. One day we took our 3rd child, Melissa, to Roanoke Memorial Hospital for an operation. We had no idea that Christmas would be so lonely that year. Complications related to Crohn's disease caused her liver to fail, and at age 18 she went to be with the Lord. We had no idea how to pay the funeral she deserved, but like always we found a way. Back in 2003, I started having chronic back problems as a result of degenerated disc. My back hurt so bad that I couldn't work. With no income, I couldn't pay for health insurance. As my back pain got worse, I knew I had to do something, so I went to the free clinic. After qualifying for services, I saw Dr. Sheridan on Thursday night. Dr. Sheridan looked over my medical records and renewed my medications. I now see the free clinic nurse practitioner, Janice Marshall, every 3 months for follow-up care for my high blood pressure and chronic back pain. My free clinic family takes care of me day to day and also looks out for my future. Another free clinic nurse, Jessica Beverly, coordinates and makes referrals with local hospitals for specialty appointments. With Jessica's help, I've had several mammograms. This preventive service means early detection, and that gives me great comfort and peace of mind, as well as hope, knowing that I would have the opportunity to live a longer life and see my grandkids grow up. The free clinic dental program has also been vital to me. I had only been to the dentist 2 times in my entire life before seeing one at the clinic. My teeth were decayed and hopeless. I was ashamed, but the staff assured me that they were there to help me. I hadn't shown my teeth in almost 20 years. That's how bad they were. I had lost my smile. Within a year at the clinic, the dentist pulled all my teeth. He said none of the teeth could be saved. Now I'm just waiting for my bottom gums to heal enough for dentures. At first, I couldn't eat anything except for soup, Jell-O, and mashed potatoes. Not real food. I want my dentures for Thanksgiving. I want them for Christmas. That's my present this year. Times have been tough. Just a few months ago, we scraped together money because the local power company was going to turn off our electricity. The free clinic gives me one less thing to worry about, one less bill to try to pay. Without the free clinic pharmacy, I probably couldn't get most of my medications because I couldn't afford them. These are life-saving medicines for me. I've seen a lot of death in my 47 years, but thanks to the free clinic, the smile I'll get for Christmas, and the exams that add birthdays to my calendar, I've got a lot to live for.
The group medical visit program was designed for our diabetic patients to give them comprehensive care and self-management education. In a 90-minute appointment, they receive an assessment by our nurse practitioner, medication counseling with a pharmacist, a diabetic foot exam, mental health screening, on-site hemoglobin A1C testing, and 30 minutes of group support and education. Our goal is to give them the tools that they need to go home and manage their chronic disease. Primarily, we focus on exercise and nutrition. We teach them simple, realistic ways to build activity into their daily routine. We spend a lot of time talking about what carbohydrates are, how to read labels, and put together a healthy meal. We know that this model of care is working because many of our patients have seen an improvement in their long-term blood sugar control. We plan to continue to expand our prevention and wellness programs. It is a cost-effective way of delivering care that benefits not only our patients, but also the community by keeping people healthy and in the workforce.
Hi, my name is Bert Datz, and I'm the Catholic campus minister at St. Patrick's Catholic Church. My duties in campus ministry include working with students from Washington and Lee University and Virginia Military Institute. I'm also a volunteer and donor to the Rockbridge Area Free Clinic. I appreciate that I can attach a face to my gifts at the Free Clinic. I've known Larry for some time and recently learned that he needed medical care that he couldn't pay for. However, the Free Clinic could provide it to him, and I could help fund his care. My life is enriched knowing that his disease is being treated, and I have a role in facilitating that treatment. I believe giving to the Free Clinic allows my ministry to ripple out throughout the community to those in need, allowing trained volunteers and staff to help heal clients and for them to help be made whole.
I'm thankful to Dr. Ellington and the fact that the clinic exists because I have no health insurance. I work and I'd always been able to pay my way. But when I started having chest pains in '03, at the age of 54, I thought I was having a heart attack. I continued to use the clinic after my heart scare. The realities of how expensive healthcare can be and the peace of mind of knowing I can get help if I need it was important to me. In 2009, I was diagnosed with a rare muscular degenerative condition. I'm now in complete remission. I could never have received the care I needed if it weren't for the clinic. The clinic and the volunteers like Dr. Ellington and Burr have had a major impact on my quality of life.
Hi, my name is Dr. David Ellington, and I'm the medical director here at the Rockbridge Area Free Clinic. I've volunteered at the Free Clinic since it was founded in 1992 because I wanted to give back to our community, and there was such a great need. I lived in Lexington from late grade school through college and have known many of the folks in this area for over 50 years. Larry is one of the people I grew up with here in Lexington. When I went away to medical school, Larry stayed here in Lexington and opened his own business. Once I began my practice, Larry became a patient, but when he started having chest pain, I knew that the help he needed was more than he could afford because he didn't have health insurance. I encouraged him to go to the Free Clinic because I knew we could give him the care that he needed. As a doctor, I have skills that I can use to help, and practicing as a volunteer at the Free Clinic is very rewarding. I am able to spend time with patients at the Free Clinic and am not hampered by the constraints and insurance requirements that I often have to deal with in my private medical practice. This is very rewarding to me and is a constant reminder of why I became a doctor.